Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make TikTok voice female, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To accomplish this task, you'll need to use the editing app called CapCut. Here's a guide to help you. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap on New Project to begin a new editing project. Choose the video clip featuring you speaking some words that you'd like to edit. Tap on Add once you select it, located at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the video clip, then scroll to the leftmost section to access the voice effects. Navigate to the funny section, and further scroll to locate Jessie. Tap on it, and wait for the effect to apply. Once done, tap the check mark to confirm. Tap on Export button, located at the top right corner of the screen. Then choose the Share to TikTok to directly share your edited video on TikTok. By following these steps, you can create a TikTok video with a female voice effect using CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.